Hey, I'm Kathleen the Clean Queen, here with some quick tips from ZIPS. I've heard people say dry cleaning is just fancy laundry. That's a bunch of Let's bust some dry cleaning myths. Myth number 1, dry cleaning is too expensive. No! Professional cleaning actually preserves the quality and extends the life of your clothes. It promotes sustainability and actually saves you money in the long run. Myth number 2, dry cleaning weakens fabrics. Please. Dry cleaning is gentler on fabrics, prevents the wear and tear caused by the agitation in your home washer, and minimizes color fading. Myth number 3, dry cleaning is only for fancy clothes. How many times do I have to tell you? Even everyday wear like jeans, polos, and your favorite t-shirts will look better and last longer when you get them professionally cleaned. Oh my God, these messes are crazy. Click like and subscribe to get more tips from ZIPS, and to look your best for less, get to ZIPS quick.